Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So today my video will be focusing on building strength. So we have different types of exercises for strength building. So we have body weight, we have gym weight, resistant band as well as calisthenic exercises. So today my video will be focusing on a type of exercise which is safe as well as convenient, which is resistant band. Since all the types of exercises give you your objective of resistance, but resistant band stand out because of convenience to carry as well as store as well as it is safe in purpose. It takes maximum resistance when your body is tired, that is when you move from your concentric movement to your eccentric movement. On the other hand, in other types of exercises, the resistance is peak at the time of contraction. So now I will be showing different types of exercises on the basis of muscle group. So our first exercise is for our legs, that is squats. So first of all, you have to keep one side of your resistant band down and stand on it. And then go to your squat position and take your band over the neck and tuck in towards the elbow. And then stand straight where they will get the maximum resistance. Bend down in squat. As you get the pain, stand up. Now as you stand up from the squat position, resistant band will pull you down due to resistance. While going down, breathe in, and while coming up, breathe out. The most working out muscle for squat is quadriceps. So our second exercise is for chest, that is push-ups. So first of all, you have to roll the resistant band and then keep it towards your scapula at the back such that it is completely tucked and will not come out while doing the exercise. Now come to push-up position. As you go down, it will be easier. While you come up, your resistant band will pull you down. So while going down, it will be easier. As you come up, the resistance will pull you down. So breathe in while going down, and while coming up, breathe out. The working out muscles are pectoralis, triceps and deltoid. So our third exercise is for back, that is single arm row. So keep one side of the resistance band down and keep your feet on it. So you can choose your resistance as per your choice. Depending on it, you pull from the side. And then come to your position for single arm row. Keep your back straight and engaged. So while pulling the resistant band, your pressure point should be scapula and lats. For balancing, you can keep your other hand on the front leg knees. While you're pulling your hand at the back, you have to breathe in. While taking it down, breathe out. Now do the same motion with the opposite hand. While doing single arm row, the most working out muscle is traps and deltoids. So our fourth exercise is for our legs, core, abdomen, shoulder and traps. The exercise is deadlift. It is an effective exercise for the core. So for this exercise, you have to keep both sides of the resistance band down and you have to stand on it. Make sure you are standing in such a way that you are keeping both sides of the resistance band equal while pulling. Now by standing straight, you have to go down in squat position with your back leaning down. As you come up, you will get pressure on your lower back as well as your core. Now here, while you come up, the resistance band will pull you down. So while coming up, you have to breathe in, and while going down, breathe out. While doing deadlift, the most working out muscle is erectus spine and glutes. So fifth exercise is for biceps and the name is bicep curl. So keep the resistance band down and stand on it and keep your legs joined. Now and keep your arm facing in the front. Now while pulling your arms up, this is called as bicep curl. So after pulling, while going down, the resistance band will pull you down. So this is called as resistance. While taking your hand up, breathe in, and while taking down, breathe out. While doing bicep curl, your most working out muscle is biceps, deltoids and forearms. So our sixth exercise is tricep kickback, which is basically for triceps. So you have to keep your resistance band down and keep your one leg down and adjust your resistance as per your own choice. You can keep your other hand on the front leg for balance and pull your hand on a 90-degree angle. Once your hand is at 90 degree, you have to pull it back so that your arms are straight to your shoulder. Here, while pulling back, while making your hand straight, resistance band will pull your hand down, that is resistance, and then switch sides. Here, while pulling your hand back, you have to breathe in. While taking your hand down, breathe out. While doing tricep kickback, your most working out muscle is triceps and rear deltoids. So our seventh exercise is lateral raise, that is for shoulders. Keep the resistance band down and stand while pull the resistance band with one hand as per the resistance of your choice. In this exercise, you have to keep your elbows straight and engage your shoulder. So as you pull your hand upwards, you will engage your core. While coming down, move your hands slowly against the resistance. And while going up, resistance band will pull you down. And then switch sides and take the resistance as per the choice. While moving up, breathe in, and while taking your hand down, breathe out. While doing lateral raise, your most working out muscle is your traps as well as your deltoids. So I hope my video will be beneficial for you and you will try this at home.